You are about to learn how to choose a collections attorney who has the ability to quickly find and recover your money. Here are the 4 things you need to know when hiring a collections attorney, and I'm going to walk through each one separately. Number 1. Does the attorney work with your type of business? You want to make sure your attorney is experienced and comfortable working with your company, whether it's large or small. Number 2. Will your debt be a priority, and will you get the attention you need? It's easy to get lost in the shuffle of a large law firm, so you want to make sure your attorney has the time for you and is going to devote the necessary resources to collect your money. Number 3 is very important, because in order to file any legal action, the attorney must first locate the debtor. This requires experience and specialized technology. And finally, you will want to make sure your attorney has a strong track record of getting results. This means success stories and testimonials from satisfied clients. Since 1979, hundreds of New York businesses have been satisfied with the services of Peter T. Roach & Associates. Their unique approach combines the aggressive negotiation skills of a collection agency with the legal power of a law firm. Plus, they utilize their own proprietary software system, which allows them to quickly locate, track, and freeze debtor assets. All of this means you will get your money as fast as possible so you can go back to business as normal. For a free consultation with Peter Roach, you can call toll-free at 1-800-824-0284 or email collections@roachlawfirm.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.